Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Happy almost Halloween. Let's take this off again, because I would like to see again, because currently I can't really see. Honestly, my problem is really easy to solve, because all I gotta do is this. Oh, my poor eyes. They were watering so much and my phone is falling white. I actually really like how the mouth came out, because from far away, I can like... Oh, so cool. But I gotta take it off. Okay, wish me luck. Ow! I don't think it was fully dry either, which made it extra gross. Still got some teeth and cotton and whatever else I had on my face left. Undisclosed liquids. Ew. I just realized I had a filter on this whole time. Let's take it off. There we go. The crazy thing is that I'm moving in less than 12 hours, so this is actually the last makeup look I will ever film in my current apartment. Time flies and it's really scary. But I think whatever's happening on my face is probably a little more scary than that. But I am gonna go shower and I love you guys. Mwah, wish me luck with the move. Bye. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Obviously, there's no prosthetics on my face, so I'm probably just gonna end up doing a makeup print. Ooh. I'm gonna take my wig off, so bear with me while I look insane. My light just fell on my table and almost knocked over a full cup of water. Speaking of water, I'm gonna very lightly spray my face. That's good. This is just gonna help the makeup transfer better. Okay, let's go for it. We're going to take my lash off. Come on. Oh my god, let's go. This is what I'm talking about. There's some wrinkles, but overall, success. I love the chest piece, but it's too big for any makeup wipe, so eh. But it is time for the nightmare fuel. Wait, first. This is so sad. I look like the moon emoji again, but I think I'm gonna need to take the rest of this off in the shower. Say hello, Jeff. Hello, Jeff. I don't think I'm allowed to say his last name on TikTok, but it's time to take this off again. Let me actually take the filter off. Wait. A lot less scary without the filter, but what can I say? I know it's October, but I'm overheating. It's so freaking hot here. Every time I do a makeup look that requires a change of clothes, it's always stained. Like, I have to wash this now. And I only wore it once. Ugh. My poor washing machine. The question is, how do I take out my contacts with these nails? I'm gonna slide it to the corner. I'm gonna stab it with my nail. Boom, it's out. I'm a professional. Oh, since it's October, I'm going to be continuing my makeup print collection. This is some of the looks from last year. So I'm doing a makeup print. Neutrogena, please sponsor me. A gentle spritz with water. Now it's time for the print. Woo. Oh, oh. Oh, girl, that is terrifying. This is more terrifying though. Oh my god. She's going in the album. If that wasn't scary enough, we need more nightmare fuel. I look like the moon emoji. Okay, cute. And I'm gonna go shower. I like colored pencils, choose my makeup, and this is what they chose. And I can't even lie, like I'm so proud of myself for making the colors work because they weren't. And now I want to get a bob because on top of that, it is 3 a.m. right now, so I kind of have to take this off. Okay, it's fine. I took 4 pictures. It's gonna be enough. I'm thinking we do a makeup print because I didn't spend hours doing this for nothing, yeah? And I swear if my removal video does better than my, like, makeup video, I'm going to punch a wall. Anyways, I won't be able to talk while doing the makeup print, so cue in the time lapse. Oh. I may be crazy, but why is it giving Bibble? You know Bibble from like the Barbie movies? This is giving Bibble. Oh my god. Let me know, do we think this is album worthy or do I throw it out? I'll keep it to the side for now. Let me know. Anyways, I'm gonna go wash my face. Let's hope that this doesn't stain because I have a dentist appointment at 8 a.m. Which I'm now realizing is in 5 hours. Anyways, I don't want to sleep anyways. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Do any collectors want this? Because if you don't, I'm throwing it out. Where's my trash can? There it is. Boom. I really love how this makeup turned out, but at the same time, all of my hair, my clothes, my desk, my phone, everything that is in my vicinity is really, really sticky. But I still really love this. If any Hollywood zombie movies need more zombies, I'm like literally right here. Let's do the ASMR. My entire face is covered in everything. Oh. Ew, ew, ew. sticky. It's sticky. And of course, and of course, the nightmare fuel. Give me a second, yeah? And of course, the nightmare fuel. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. I am mostly clean. Mwah. See you tomorrow. Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. Ah, my skin can breathe. Contacts are off, and that is it. I finally completed the mission of becoming a human disco ball. I cannot wait to take this off because I can't, like, move my face. This is all I can do. But let's try. That's terrifying. I'm getting little fin gills. That's not the word. There's latex on my fingers, and it's really late, and I want to go to sleep. You know, after having this much glitter on myself, I don't think I will ever get rid of it. But I can try. I found an edge. Let's do the face. Okay, that was scary. I feel like a superhero, like this is like my mask. The audio cut out here for whatever reason, but pretend I'm like crying. Painful latexes. The audio is out again. Still crying, yeah. Let's do the next 3, 2, 1. Hope you weren't watching that for the ASMR because I just screamed. I tried to do like an ASMR version of this on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. Ow. Well, hello there. You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves. Like, my sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are, like, I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. Ow! That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on, that's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower, and you guys have an amazing day. Hey there, you little freaks. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Yeah. I can finally talk and I can drink some water and I am so happy and I've never been this happy before. So cute. I really hope I don't break out tomorrow because damn, that was a lot of latex on my face. While I had that on, 3 people managed to call me and I was not able to pick up the phone because I wasn't able to talk. This feels so good. Also, this is kind of random, but I dyed my eyebrows. So like, I can wake up and just go on about my day with my eyebrows being done. Like, what? But anyways, thank you guys for watching and I hope you have an amazing day today. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. Well, hello there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Now, I have no idea why I decided to cover up my nose and then give myself a nose on top of the latex. But we're not gonna talk about it. Pretend like nothing happened, okay? It's time for the good stuff. Boom. Tooth gone. Boom. All of them. Be gone. Tooth. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's do it. Didn't hurt. I can finally breathe. I'm gonna go shower because the makeup wipe wasn't enough, but you have a great day. Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth, or talk, or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get our lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come up in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin. Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go. That's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day.